Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background color from copy pasted text in Word. Removing the highlight color from copied text in Word ensures a clean, consistent look, making your document more professional and easier to read. So let's start the video. So here is our Word document. As you can see the gray background color in the pasted text. So first you need to select the text that has the background color. Just click and drag your mouse over the text. Next, go to the Home tab in the Word ribbon and find the shading button in the paragraph section. It looks like a paint bucket. Click on it to open the menu. Now from the drop-down menu, simply select No Color. And just like that, the background color is now gone. If you want an even faster method, then here is a quick shortcut. Instead of just pressing Ctrl V to paste, try using the Ctrl Shift V. This pastes the text without any formatting, including the background color. So now you know how to remove those unwanted background colors from your pasted text in Word. Thanks for watching.